Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call no one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri. Get the off of me.
Listen,
Get off of me.
hey, we're not
Get
going to get
off
off.
of
We're
me.
not going to get off.
January 24th, 2023. Miami Airport. 2 passengers assault employee face multiple felony charges. This analysis focuses on Florida criminal law and Supreme Court use of force standards.
Here when? What happened? Here, why don't you step over here so I can hear you?
I heard the commotion riding back out right here. I think she threw some of the plexiglass or her phone. I'm not sure exactly. I just know the girl go, ah, and then blood.
Okay.
And then they were raising Cain.
Okay.
2 females. I did take a picture or a video I didn't get this, which I wish I would have, but I was more worried about
You're watching it. And
making sure everything was right. And
Right.
the reason why is because it almost got out of hand. The officers approached rather gently, if you ask me. They approached smartly, but like, let's calm this thing down. So they did a good job there. The one girl was just off the hook. The one with the colored hair in the, let's see, so I can reference the girls and you'll know who's who.
you had one in pink.
Yeah, she's the second girl. So this is the second girl. This is the first girl that caused the biggest commotion right there.
Okay.
So the one in the pink was causing the commotion, but not at first. She spun out. She bled off the other girl. You know, she saw it going off. Get off my friend. Get off my friend. You know what I mean? Going off, dropping F-bombs. That's because 2 officers approached her because she's out of control. Then she got out of control, and he tried to approach her and then calm her down, and then she was like, don't touch me, I ain't done nothing wrong. So he was kind of like a little passive, which is fine.
Okay.
Then they smartly moved her out of here, and she's going crazy and spazzing out, and they had to put her down to the ground at some point. You got to. I was like, they need to put her down. Like, they were like too nice on us.
Yeah.
That's when the other girl got loose, and the 2 officers were down. I had gotten off my bike now, and I saw her coming, and I was ready to jump on her at any moment because he had to catch up, and she had full access to her gun, his gun, one of the officers.
Right.
And that's what I was worried about, so that's why I stayed. Normally I get the hell out of there. It's none of my business. So I saw that he tackled her and did a great job, and they got her cuffed rather quickly. This one took a longer time, and that was pretty much.
Do you know what the fight was about? Did you hear what it was about?
No, but I already suspect from Frontier. It's probably the world's dangerous job.
Right.
Frontier and Spirit ticket counter.
Right.
It's probably because they don't have their seat, or they don't have they have to pay for the boarding pass, or pay for the extra bag, pay for your backpack. It's all on the airline's issue, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But the officers approached smartly and then did a good job. And you know, I just was worried about their safety. That's why I kind of hung out.
Okay, so you saw the throw the phone or the plastic thing, you thought?
I think it's the plastic.
Right.
Cut her in the face. When I looked, because it was going crazy, I was kind of minding my own business. I kind of just sitting on my bike like this, what's going on? That's when I seen the other girl go like this, and instant blood coming from her face from the ticket counter lady.
Okay.
And then the officers were about right here. They finally approached as they're going ballistic. And then
Did you see them attack the officers at all at any time?
yeah, I did see the girl in the pink pants, the non-starter, became a fuel to the fire. She did, I would say she did, in my opinion, she attacked the 2 officers.
Okay, 2 officers, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I was this, I got, if she even went near that gun, I was going to tackle her shit out of her myself. So,
Okay.
yeah, so I would say yes. First of all, they attacked the officer here. The one girl by herself. She was nasty and spinning and kicking and everything, and they did everything kind of trying
Gently,
to stand off.
right.
And so she was resisting arrest for sure and attacking assault on the officer, and then the other one was assault on 2 officers down on the ground and potentially could have been shot.
Okay.
I mean, if he didn't know the situation and you saw this thing and you saw a girl running after her and the way their guns were sticking up like this, she's coming from the back.
Okay.
So, but yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. And I know he has your name, so
Yeah.
good. I'll reach out to you if I need anything. Thanks,
Yeah,
Tim.
no problem. Easy day.
Thanks, bud.
Que si puedo caminar. Where did you say where?
Passenger threw sign holder at employee, striking nose and causing severe bleeding. Florida statute 784.045 defines this as aggravated battery, a second-degree felony. Elements: intentionally causing great bodily harm. Maximum penalty, 15 years prison. Witness and victim statements provided independent corroboration of the assault. Officers possessed probable cause for felony arrest before any resistance occurred. Both subjects physically resisted, violating Florida Statute 843.01, resisting with violence. Third-degree felony, up to 5 years imprisonment.
I'm getting the info. I'm getting her info now. What happened?
Hello, there was passenger, it was a lot of witnesses.
E. Morrison. He is one of those TSA guys on a bike. That's his contact number. He heard a loud commotion, caught his attention. He looked over and saw the subject.
Pink. The one in pink.
The one in pink. Through unknown item. He didn't see what item it was.
This.
What is this stuff?
What's this called?
This.
Clipboard.
Display, plastic display?
Yeah.
display.
Sign display? Plastic sign display.
Exactly.
No, rescue is supposed to be coming.
So unknown item at her face. Immediately saw blood coming from her face. Observed Miami-Dade County officers arrived and saw the two subjects assisting. Right. What else do you need, bro?
No, that's it, I guess. For now. She was being with them.
Okay.
She's got rate. She says you can't get a refund. You're the one's late. She was helping her friend that was polite and everything else, but then she goes, what, you're helping her get the refund? I go, you guys can't fly. She got crazy irate, grabbed one of these plastic signs, displays, and threw it, hit her right in the top of the nose, and then we had a TSA tight agent, heard the commotion, and when he started turning around, they came this way, saw the thing flying and hitting her in the face.
She threw shit at the counter, then they came over, they calmed him down, and they immediately and then they tried to do it nicely, and they quit.
The legal standard for force is Graham versus Connor, decided 1989. Courts must judge reasonableness from officer perspective at moment of decision, not with 20/20 hindsight. This protects split-second judgments under pressure. Graham established 3 factors: crime severity, immediate threat, active resistance. Factor 1. Aggravated battery represents serious violent felony. Factor 2. Subjects demonstrated active violence against employee and officers. Factor 3. Continuous physical resistance visible throughout encounter. All 3 Graham factors clearly support force reasonableness.
Got it?
All right, good. She's cuffed?
Like I'm cuffed. You talking about my cuff? You clearly see. How would you hurting me?
Relax.
Just stop pushing my arm up. With you. Give me my phone. Look, do you not see this? Do you not see this? You're trying to hurt my body on my mama. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground. Get the fuck up this ground.
Relax. Relax.
Shut up.
Relax.
Get me off the ground. Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call no one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri. Get the fuck off of me. Get off me.
Hey, we're not
Get
going to
off of
we're
me.
not going to get off you, okay? Relax.
Stop grabbing me.
You need to relax,
You
okay?
need to get the fuck out of here. Say.
You need to
You can do
relax.
that all
You
you
need to
want. You can do that all you want. You can do that all you want. You're not hurting me at the end of the day. Get the fuck off of me. Like you. What the fuck right to me?
Oh, the victim.
Transport shift number 39, outside door 13,
Can you let go of my arm?
Let's take her outside so we know
Okay, then let go of my hand.
Hey, listen,
What the fuck you doing?
hey, relax. Okay, relax. Hey, relax. You relax.
hurting my head.
You're gonna move, or we're gonna move you. Hey, you're moving because we're telling you you're gonna move.
You're
Okay?
gonna break my arm. Look at what you're doing. Oh, no. You're gonna break my arm, Mika. Is you tripping? I swear to God, I can't wait for them to pull these videos up because I swear to God, you're gonna be the first one. What the is that badge?
That's my video right
Give
here.
me,
I'm taking
okay,
it.
okay, what's your badge number?
well,
What's your badge number?
relax.
You gotta give me that right. You gotta tell me your badge number.
It will be on the arrest
Okay.
warrant.
He is I'm relaxed. He's grabbing me, trying to hurt me.
You keep trying to pull away. Stop.
I'm not. You get, bro. I'm not mother's grave. You finna rub me. Hey, all y'all pig ass, you a disgrace. You a disgrace to the race, you black. I swear to God, you're a disgrace. 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 I hate the police. All y'all some. I swear to God, y'all don't help nobody do nothing. All y'all crack a pig ass and you too. You want to be like these crackers? Okay. Fuck you. Disgrace. Kiss my ass. And I'm going to find out same day. So this is a waste of time. What's wrong with you?
Officers used empty hand techniques only, no impact weapons, spray, or strikes. Body positioning and escort holds represent minimal force to achieve custody. Tactical scenario: 2 combative suspects in crowded public terminal. Multi-suspect violent arrests represent highest risk situations in policing. Witness noted concern about weapon access during ground struggle. Officers maintain de-escalation commands throughout physical control. Repeated verbal instructions to relax, demonstrate professional restraint. Phone access was requested. Officers properly denied during active custody. Constitutional phone rights apply post-booking, not during arrest procedures. Subjects used racial epithets and anti-police rhetoric directed at officers. First Amendment protects offensive speech but not violent conduct. Officers showed zero emotional reaction to extreme verbal provocations. This emotional discipline exemplifies constitutional policing standards. Final charges: aggravated battery, resisting with violence, disorderly conduct. Bond set at $500 each, lifetime airline bans issued. Officers grade A-. Professional force application under dangerous conditions. Deduction: momentary control lapse when second subject broke free. Subject 1. F. Violent felony, injured innocent worker, zero justification. Subject 2. F. Escalated to violent resistance, endangered officers in public. First key lesson: customer service disputes must use legal channels, never violence. Second lesson: resisting lawful arrest adds felony charges to any situation. Third lesson: progressive force application protects both officer and subject safety. Fourth lesson: verbal abuse requires professional detachment, not emotional response. Challenge unjust arrest in court with attorneys, not through physical resistance. Single violent decision transformed travel delay into potential decades in prison. Share legal topics for analysis below. Subscribe for detailed police interaction reviews. Visit Street Law channel for courtroom proceedings and legal education content.